Hey everyone, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. In this video today, guys, I'll just be showing you how I dye my lace units. What I'm showing you here was the lace spray to spray down that lace really hard. I sprayed it down in the front right here to make sure that that lace doesn't turn colors while I'm being careful adding the product. So now we're going to get started. I pinned this baby down so she's nice and firm. She won't be moving around once I'm applying this product. I am using this Revlon just in black, not jet black, and I'm about to get started. Now, those beautiful roses you see in the background I received on my birthday this past weekend. So if you would like, you can leave me a little gift, if you feel like it. Super thanks, membership. I think my Cash App is in my description. $1, anything you would like to leave will be great for my birthday. Or you can just leave a like and subscribe. That will make a beautiful gift also. So if it's your first time here and you're wondering who I am, my name's Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is how-tos, tutorials, unboxings, reviews, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you wanted to learn something to add it to your own technique, you can hit that subscribe button, join the squad. You won't regret it, and I'll love on you over here. So as you guys can see, I'm taking my time combing the product through. I go in a wiggly motion just so it doesn't slide through the layers of the hair. Now I usually start at the ends and put a little color at the ends, and then I'll, to give it a little control so the hair is not flying all over the place. And I'll just go in parting thin strips and going in carefully, making sure not to touch that lace. Now this is for one of my models. She's going to a Thanksgiving event. Yes, it's time to eat, guys. So guess what? We're going to eat whatever we want, right? We've been waiting for Thanksgiving all year and it's finally here. So don't worry, guys. If you eat too much and you feel like you gained a little weight over the holidays, I got the perfect item for you. I'm super excited to introduce to you guys this sauna suit for both men and women. If you're looking to boost your workouts and enhance your sweating experience after the holidays, this just might be the perfect addition to your fitness routine. Ellie Zog specializes in how to shape your body. They have a range of body shaping and waist cinching products such as sauna suits, waist cinchers, all kind of stuff, guys. This is my handsome son modeling the item for you guys. As you guys can see, it has a hood. Now let's talk about some of the features. The sauna suit is designed to increase your body temperature and boost sweating, which can aid in weight loss and detoxification. Plus, it's versatile enough for various activities. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or doing some home workouts, this is a nice product, guys. It's very breathable, it's adjustable cuffs and zippered front, making it easy to put on and take off. And the material is very breathable, guys. Go and grab you one. You're going to need one after the holidays. I will be having one myself. That's for men. I'll be grabbing one for women, and I will leave the link in the description and tell them that Alicia Handles It sent you. But I really love this product and I feel like you guys should get one. It will make you guys sweat off those turkeys, the collard greens, and the macaroni and cheese. Now back to the video. Like I say, remember to take thin pieces, go in between and brush it very slightly, and then you can go back through with your comb. But we should be safe, guys, because remember, I sprayed the lace down really good. And what that does is it helps for the color not to go through to the lace. Yeah, when you take it off of the mannequin, you might see some dark spots if that, probably seeped through a little bit, but guys, when you wash out the unit, it will not stain, I promise you. Yeah, it won't stain. So, but still be very careful and take your time, go slow. It's almost time for a new stand. This stand just keeps moving, but my feet is on it to hold it in place. I get my stands from Amazon, guys, but I feel like I need to come up with a new stand idea for wig makers, because the ones they make and the ones they're selling, even the top of the line ones, they really suck. I hate them. So if there's any engineers out there in you guys family, tell them that Alicia handles it. Need their help, because I need to make a stand that can hold the pressure and the evenness and not sliding and freaking just doing all kind of stuff on its own when you need it to hold in place so you can continue your work. Okay, so get at me. So guys, leave in the comment section what's your favorite thing for Thanksgiving. Like, you can leave 2 items. I think my favorite 2 items are, or is the, what is up with my vocabulary today? But I think my favorite, I love ham, that that nice pineapple sweet sugary ham, and I like it with potato salad. I like everything else, but I think those are my two favorite go-tos for Thanksgiving. What are your two favorite? You only can pick two. I know we got the yams and we got the mac and cheese, but what are your really two favorite Thanksgiving items? Let me know in the comment section, guys. You know what? I'm gonna cheat, because actually I really love the turkey with the stuffing and some collard greens. Oh my God, let me just get off the subject. Guys, only two. You only can pick two. So now that I'm at the end, I always comb it through, go through it again, make sure everything's nice and covered, so make sure I didn't miss a spot. And then I'm gonna come back and show you guys what style I did with this for my model. And so make sure you're subscribed, make sure you like the video, make sure you join membership if you want you know, any extra techniques that you would need to learn that I don't say in the video. I am looking to get at least 20 memberships so I can start doing the membership videos. But until I get at least 15 to 20 members, I cannot start the membership videos. It's only $5 a month. So I suggest you guys join for hair school tips and professional advice on certain things. So I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one, and get ready for Thanksgiving, guys. Remember, I make wigs, I sell them also. And I'll be doing a couple of giveaways real soon. Love you guys. Thanks for all the support. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Look how beautiful that is.